Hello everyone, today we will discuss 15 amazing inventions that could dramatically transform your daily life. We're talking about the future of everything, from how you live in your home to the technology you use every day. From self-driving cars that could change your commute to healthcare innovations that could literally save your life, these inventions are poised to reshape the world as we know it. Let's dive in. Imagine walking into your home and the lights adjust to your preferred brightness, the temperature is perfect, and your favorite playlist starts playing. That's the promise of AI-driven smart homes. Self-driving cars aren't just a futuristic concept anymore. They're here and they're ready to change how we commute, travel, and think about transportation. Imagine a world where your watch could tell you you're getting sick before you even feel it. That's the potential of advanced wearable health monitors. We're not just talking about printing gadgets here. 3D printing is now being used to create everything from prosthetics to human tissue. Solar panels are just the beginning. The future of energy is clean, sustainable, and increasingly efficient thanks to breakthroughs in renewable energy technology. Imagine seeing real-time information overlaid on your world, from navigation directions to details about the people around you. That's the power of AR glasses. The future of AI isn't just about asking questions, it's about having an AI that anticipates your needs and helps you make smarter decisions throughout your day. Quantum computers have the potential to solve some of humanity's biggest challenges, from developing life-saving drugs to revolutionizing materials science. Imagine having a doctor's appointment from the comfort of your own home. Telemedicine is making healthcare more accessible and convenient than ever before. Imagine a robot that could not only clean your house but also cook dinner and keep you company. The future of home robotics is closer than you think. Get ready for a world of instant, seamless connectivity where you can download a movie in seconds and video chat with anyone, anywhere without lag. These aren't your average fitness trackers. We're talking about wearables that can analyze your sleep, track your stress levels, and even give you personalized fitness advice. Imagine packaging that could tell you if your food was safe to eat or if your product was ethically sourced. That's the future of smart, sustainable packaging. Blockchain technology isn't just for cryptocurrency. It's poised to revolutionize everything from online security to how we vote in elections. Forget passwords. The future of security is all about who you are, with technologies like facial recognition and DNA analysis leading the way. Each of these innovations holds the potential to not only change how you live day to day, but also improve efficiency, sustainability, and overall quality of life. Which one excites you the most? Please share your comment. If you found the video useful, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for new updates.